Red. This is a 2-owner, clean Carfax report, extremely well maintained, aluminum wheels, newer tires, power sunroof, clean body, just a few dents or scratches. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, clean gray leather interior, power seats, heated seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, stereo controls, HVAC, heating and air conditioning controls, cruise control, JBL stereo system, CD player, auxiliary input for MP3, your heated seats, automatic transmission, cup holders, nice big back seat, side impact, airbags, rear vents for heating and air conditioning, nice size trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.